Welcome back to DerivNavigatorAcademy. In this video, I'll be speaking about how you should react whenever you receive a scheduled maintenance message from Deriv. Now, most of us usually receive messages from Deriv. You receive a message, let's say, stating on January 25th, we will be doing a scheduled maintenance from 7:00 Green Meridian Time to 16:00 Green Meridian Time. But most of us usually just ignore the message in its entirety. And then you forget and you go and trade on that particular day they said they will do a scheduled maintenance. And when you're trading, you wonder why your trades are undergoing losses. You cannot deposit fast. You cannot do fast withdrawals. The market, you can find the market sometimes is even lagging, and you're wondering what is the problem. And then you end that day with the losses. Okay? So how should you react whenever you receive these messages? The first thing is, whenever you receive any message, even if it is not a scheduled maintenance message from Deriv, open that Gmail, open that message, and then read it, okay? Do not ignore any information that Deriv is trying to relay to you. Open it. Once you open it, go through the message, okay? Now, if the message is about scheduled maintenance and they have given you the time they will be doing the maintenance, take a piece of paper and write that time down and write the specific date and day, okay? And to make it easier, convert that time to your local time so that it can be easier for you to understand. So if it is, let's say, 7 Green Meridian Time, convert to your local time. You can find that in your local time, it is let's say, 10 a.m., okay? And then once you convert the beginning time and the ending time, when they will be doing the maintenance, proceed and write it on another piece of paper. So take a second piece of paper and then write the time in your local time. Write the day. If it is on a Wednesday, write Wednesday. Write the date, let's say 29th January. And then write from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then write down there, do not trade. Whenever you see whenever a particular day has been flagged by Deriv for maintenance, do not trade. I repeat, do not trade. Even if you open the market and you see that a market is looking lucrative, do not trade, okay? You'll enter a trade, but the market is hanging. So whatever you are seeing on your screen is what was in the market 3 minutes ago. And for you, you think it is the current trend. And then whenever you make a trade, you experience losses, okay? So please, do not trade on any day Deriv has said they will be doing a maintenance. Do not trade. That day, you can just be doing practicing. You can be going through your trades. You can be doing some analysis of the previous days. And you can even be learning new strategies and new strategies that you can apply. But do not trade. Even if the market looks lucrative, do not enter the market. Okay? I hope that information has reached every one of you. First thing, do not ignore any message. Never ignore any message from Deriv. Whenever Deriv sends you an email or a message, open it immediately and read it. And then if it is useful, let's say they have a conference, attend it. Just see what they're speaking about and everything. If it is about scheduled maintenance, once again, ensure you mark the date. Mark it. You can stick it on your wall. You can even save it in your notepad. And then you can even save it in your calendar so that you can get a notification on that day. Because most of us tend to forget. Because if by any chance you go and trade on that day, you'll experience losses. So do not trade on any day there is a scheduled maintenance. Okay? Do not trade. And by doing that, guys, you'll reduce the number of losses. Because what happens is, most of us see the messages and then we forget. And then we go and trade on that particular date. And then we experience losses. Okay? So to avoid losses, please save the dates and save the time and everything, and you'll be okay. And again, never ignore any message Deriv sends you. Okay? And that is basically how you should react to a scheduled maintenance message from Deriv. If you found this helpful, please make sure you leave a like and please make sure you subscribe so that these videos can reach more people. And please make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on these amazing videos. Apart from that, guys, thank you for watching this video and let us meet in the next one. Good luck.